Hi everyone, Dom Designs here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special one. The channel has officially hit the 100 subscribers milestone, and oh what a milestone we have just hit. This is just insane, and I'm in complete disbelief that we have grown so much in so little time. Thinking back to less than a year ago, when I fully committed to creating videos on YouTube and had only 1,000 subscribers, I remember speaking to friends and family and saying, oh, maybe in 10 years we could get to 100,000 subscribers and that would be just incredible. But it seems like YouTube and you all had different plans for me. So for that, I would like to thank you all. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, liked, commented, shared, and supported me throughout this journey. I wouldn't be where I am today if it weren't for all of your support. Being that I am a shy and reserved person at times, coming out on social medias and creating videos on YouTube was always scary for me, but I chose to push through it. I decided to do what makes me happy in the present and to not care what others think about it. And that is creating cool yet simple vector cartoon artworks and showing you all what I learned throughout my process. Knowing that I have so much support on this channel just motivates me to create more content and to make it even better, knowing that so many of you have been watching and enjoying it. With that being said, for this video, I decided to create the 100k subscribers Silver Play Button Award, which I hope to receive soon. This award doesn't just go to me, but it goes to every one of you, as I wouldn't have this without you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little sketch and stay tuned for new and better content coming out soon. Thank you once again, and cheers to everyone.